guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So like you can probably already tell by the title of the video, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a makeup look with a few makeup products that I got from Amazon. So the wedding season is here and I feel like I did another wedding makeup look a few days ago, but that was a little more on the glamour side, and this is going to be a little more light and soft and very easy. So this makeup look is for when someone you know personally isn't getting married. Maybe it's a neighbor, maybe it's someone your parents know or your partner knows, and you don't want to put in so much effort into the makeup look and you want to keep it simple and easy, and you don't want to make it seem like you put a lot of effort into it. Maybe you don't want to actually put a lot of effort into it. This look is for that. So I got a few products from Amazon that you can use throughout summer. These are very good and very affordable products that will be very useful throughout the summer, and I'm going to be creating this look using these products. And they are all under 600 rupees if I'm not wrong. I will mention the prices on the caption, on the thumbnail, on around here and here, either of the places. And yeah, if that is something that interests you, let's get into the video. But before we do that, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you like my videos in general, consider subscribing to my channel. So yeah, let's get into the video now.
Starting off with this primer from Shroyan Cosmetics. This is an illuminating primer. It's more like a strobe cream. This is supposed to add glow to your skin. इसको आप अपने base makeup लगाने से पहले लगाओगे, and that will give your makeup a very natural glow within kind of a look. It is really moisturizing as well, so you can skip the moisturizer when you apply this. It comes in a tube packaging, and the tube has a flat mouth which can be used as an applicator. It gives you a glowy, dewy makeup look and helps your makeup last long. Next up is this concealer from Shroyan Cosmetics again. It comes in a bottle packaging and has a doe foot applicator. ये एक full coverage concealer है and it lasts a really long time. It is super easy to blend. It is smooth on the skin and it's very comfortable on the skin as well. I got it in the shade SO3 and the shade matches me perfectly. The shades are all catering to Indian skin tones, which is really good. At the price, it's a good concealer, but it's not gonna last very long on your skin before it starts graying. If you want a better concealer at the price range, go for a Swiss Beauty one. Next up is this eyeshadow palette from Swiss Beauty. This has 4 eyeshadow shades and 1 blush shade. Among the 4 eyeshadow shades, 2 shades matte shades हैं और 2 shimmer shades हैं, and the blush also has one side matte and the other side a little shimmery. So if you're wearing this blush, you will not need to wear any extra highlighter. It will add that shimmer to your skin along with the blush. The shades are very natural and soft. इस eyeshadow palette के साथ आप glam eyeshadow looks भी create कर सकते हो और बहुत simple everyday wear kind of eyeshadow looks भी create कर सकते हो. It's a very small eyeshadow palette, so it's very easy to carry. You can put it in your handbag, in your purse, and you'll be good to go. Blush shades को भी आप as eyeshadow shades use कर सकते हो. Like you can see here, the first shade I'm wearing is the matte blush shade on the eyes. Then I'm going in with the silvery shimmer shade. इसको मैं अपने eyes के inner corner से middle part तक लगाऊंगी on my eyelids. And then with the pink shimmer shade, I'm gonna apply it from the middle part of my eyelids towards the outer part. Now I'm gonna go in with the brown shade. इसमें मैं पहले थोड़ा water spray कर ली हूँ. You can spray some micellar water as well, or just go in with normal water and then just mix the shade with the water, and I'm gonna draw in this eyeliner. The water makes it easier to draw a sharp eyeliner, पर अगर आप थोड़ा smoky eyeliner apply कर सकते हो, you can go in directly without any water. Next मैं अपने under eyes में थोड़ा concealer apply करके उसको blend कर लूँगी, and then I'll go in with this same brown shade and draw in my inner corners. Next up, I'll be using this blush from Cute Cosmetics. They are a small Indian brand and I absolutely love their products. This blush has to be one of my favorite blushes. ये एक cream blush है and just look at how cute the pan is. It comes in this heart shape and it's adorable. The outer packaging is made up of paper and it also has a little mirror in it. This blush is super easy to carry. When I was traveling to North India, I took this blush with me and this blush goes in amazingly with my skin color. इससे आपको थोड़ा सा ही apply करना होगा. You don't need a lot of amount. And I'm gonna apply it on my cheeks, my nose and my chin. It has a very soft and smooth creamy formula that blends super smoothly and it's very comfortable on the skin. At the price, this blush is a really good catch. Next up is this highlighter palette. There are 3 shades on it and all 3 of them are really good. They go amazingly with Indian skin tones, all 3 of them. They don't have a lot of pigment on them and neither are they too shimmery. You can use them as highlighters or as eyeshadow toppers. They actually look really natural. So if you want to go for a soft glam look, this is the perfect highlighter for that. It's not gonna make you look too glowy like a tube light. It's gonna add just the right amount of highlight. At the price, it's a really good highlighter palette. Next up is this lip liner pencil. I got it in the shade Now or Never and it is a cute mauve pink shade. You can create so many different lip combos with this look. This is a lip color that will go amazingly for daily wear or for special occasions. It comes in a retractable pen packaging and has a sharpener in the back. This color is so good. I just wear this lip liner and blend it into my lips sometimes and it is a lip look on itself. It is a very soft and smooth lip liner. The quality is just amazing. It glides like a dream. It blends very easily. At the price, it's a really good lip liner. It's super pigmented. Next up is this lip gloss from Essence. These lip glosses are the viral sensational lip glosses for a reason. They are really the best. They come in a very simple lip gloss packaging and have a doe foot applicator. The gloss is really soft and buttery. It glides super easily. It's not sticky at all. And this one has a pink tint and some shimmer onto it, which makes the gloss very unique. You can wear it by itself, wear it along with your lip liner or add it on top of your favorite lipstick. It will elevate any lip look. At the price, it's a really good lip gloss that I have been loving using recently. I have been wearing this so often. Next up is this brown eye pencil from Maybelline and I absolutely love this. I did not know how good a good brown kajal could be before I got my hands on this one. If you are of my complexion, I will urge you to try a brown eyeliner. And if you already have tried brown eyeliner, I'm sure you know that brown eyeliner looks much better on our skin tone than black ones do. And the same thing goes for kajal as well. Brown kajal looks just amazing. It has a retractable pen packaging and it also has a blender on the back which makes blending super easy. The product is of great quality. It is highly pigmented. It glides like a dream. It blends very easily and it's very comfortable on the eyes as well. I'm gonna apply this on my waterline and there are a lot of kajals that don't stay when I apply them on my waterline because they are not pigmented enough, but look at how pigmented it is. At the price, it's a really good kajal. And that's it for the look. It's a very simple look. You can wear it to your friend's wedding, to your sibling's wedding, to any of your relatives' weddings, or mostly your neighbors' weddings, really. If you are someone who is not that into heavy makeup, this is the look for you. The very nude glossy lips, the glossy eyeliner, and a very simple plain base. I hope you liked the look.
So guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it and benefited from it. If you have any other video suggestion or request, drop a comment below in the comment section, and I will definitely make a video on that. And I will see you guys in my next. Till then, take care. Bye bye.